Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, TCL 403, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is original TCL theme, because it's very simple, and as you can see it works very good because it's very lightweight. On the second place in my top is lawn chair. So open the lawn chair theme. Download it. Click install, open. Hello. Cool. So launcher is really simple launcher too, but with one difference. It looks better. It looks better because it's simple pixel style launcher, and in this way it's very lightweight theme too, but it looks like pixel device. Cool. On the second place in my top was this theme, but on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. Okay, so choose applications you like and click OK, and cool. So here we have our favorite applications on the home screen, and here we have our main menu. If you want to find any application, so for example I want to find the Play Store, I just need to tap my finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to desired letter, to P letter in my case, and in this way I will faster open the Play Store. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.